you know karibu tukosane ndugu yangu. Lakini nikujua ulikuwa na watu wa kusaidia wewe. Sasa nimekupatia watu wazuri. You have no reason to fail. Na tukathikiriria ndu ajohikangata we tondu raku ni mwega ri tigira andu haya we ikara kando ni magugutisha ni makuima kura ndugatinyoke maka kaigura ciao cicigana tukamake usijali. Huyu Karida ameng'ang'ana na hiyo watu na ajali, Waiguru ameng'ang'ana nao ajali. So wewe usijali. Finally kuna hii maneno imezungumzwa, wazee walishikwa pale on 31st. It's true. This matter has been brought to our attention. There was a very serious operation in our region because of that criminal gang that you know, ambaye iliumiza watu wetu hasa hapa Murang'a. And we want to thank the late John Mechoke. May God rest his soul in peace. If Mechoke had not put his foot down, those people had become a menace to the people of Murang'a and elsewhere. True or false? Walikuwa wanachukua kodi na hao si serikali. Atukifanya dawari, watu wakija kulete mahari, wanauliza ni ngapi, wanaitisha 15%. Akina mama wakienda Kamweredho, wanachukua 20%. Kwa duka na si yao, ukiuza simiti wanasema kila mfuko shilingi 10. Stage ya matatu wanachukua, wanahesabu abiria, wanasema times 10. Hey, nemokete muno. And it took the decision of one leader called John Mechoke to decide no. But because the matter had gone too far, the collateral damage was very high. We cannot allow it to go that far. Hatuwezi kubali ifike hapo Mechoke alikuta, because ikifika hapo kudeal nayo vijana wataumia. And I cannot myself as deputy president, as a leader from this region, nikubali mtu amekaa Nairobi atumie vijana yetu kwenda kuchukua mali ya watu, kwenda kuchukua pesa kwa stage, kwenda kwa mashamba ya watu. Walikuwa hata wanatengeneza ugali, wanakamua ng'ombe yako na hatuwezi ongea. Na wameweka watu baridi. Juzi tulikuwa na mkutano ya kina mama kukachifu hawa, wanapigia simu, wanaigiza baridi. Sasa nikasema mimi kwa sababu siogopi, siwezi kubali. Na tukakubaliana na rais hatuwezi kubali. So there was an operation. Walikuwa wamepanga mkutano huko Kabiroine ati nini, serikali tukasema no. So wakisanywa there was confusion. Sasa wazee wengine walikuwa wameenda hapa mkuru wa Nyagathanga, kina mama walikuwa wameenda sherehe tu ya kitamaduni. Leo ile hede ya mugururio no were ugotire gatigao. I want to say, and it was not brought to our attention until recent. We have asked the DPP to review the matter, and the matter will go back to court on 28th, and the matter will be resolved so that those old men and women can have their dignity. And I want to say, Adulia Kiama, huko Murang'a, I know there was a problem with our officers. We are going to agree on what is possible and what is not. Negetha athuri meke magongona mao ma Gikuyu. Na gutiri mundu ungimagiria nie ndi muthuri wa Kiama, ndi muthuri wa Horio. No nginya athuri tureke meke magongona mao. No kiria tutangitikira ni magongona macio maigirirwo ni nyanake icio ima-hijack imatue kindu kingi. Na twaiguithania. Koguo ni tuguikara thi na athuri ni ngumeta tuiguithanie, njite anene a borithi, njite county commissioner tuiguithanie magongona ma Gikuyu mathie na mbere. Mukuru wa Nyagathanga kuria Gikuyu na Mumbi aumire, Gikuyu na Mumbi aumire mathie kuo meke magongona ma Gikuyu. Athuri aitu macemanie mahe ciana citu kirira, mathie haria voi-ini marie maundu maitu. No nginya tumenyerere magongona ma athuri aitu a Gikuyu matikaingĩrĩrwo nĩ mũndũ ũcio wa ciana wa nyanake icio ama-hijack arehe ndeto cia gũthĩnia andũ aitũ, na tũtingĩtĩkĩra. Koguo nĩ tũgũcaria njĩra ũrĩa tũkũiguithania na athuri magongona ma Gĩkũyũ nĩ makũheo gĩtĩo kĩamo, tondũ ũcio nĩ ũndũire witũ na gũtirĩ thirikari ĩngĩgiria. Na mũno mũno thirikari nyende deputy president ndi mũthuri Mũgĩkũyũ. No nginya tũiguithanĩrie magongona ma athuri aitũ marĩkagwo na njĩra ĩrĩkũ matikaingĩrĩrwo nĩ nyanake icio. No icio nyanake gutire handu ingĩhĩtũkĩra icario wĩrũngũ wa kũruta. Twĩna wĩra wa arĩci wao mebangĩte wa affordable housing. Korwo no mahote gũkua mahiga moke makue, ndiũĩ kana no metĩkĩre. Nginya ũcio mũnene wao nĩ oke ake nyũmba, oe Kabirũ athime, one ka rũgiri rũrĩ Kabirũ. no tutingitikira na kinywa niwe kirega na kwiyumia Laikipia ko hari guoya we ndio hari ogere umuthi we niwe kaga na kwiyumia no waikara kwagirire ngirikia nie njuge niracokia ngatho na sisi tuko na furaha sana hapa Murang'a